Yes, when my name and that one of Honorable Jimmy Akena and some of my agents disappeared from the voter register, I wrote officially to the Chairman Electoral Commission, and Chairman Electoral Commission explained to me that there was a technical glitch at the online register, but confirmed that I was in the manual register, and as of Tuesday, they wrote to me officially, and I've confirmed online that the names have been restored on the online voter register, and now I am settled and I'm okay that both the online voter register and the manual register has my name as a voter.
Thank you so very much.
The National Social Grant for Persons with Disability and the Special Grant for Older Persons. These are grants that are dispersed under the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development, and a group of 5 people are given 5 million each, and they are supported with an enterprise of their choice. So over the last 2-3 years, we have disbursed about 400 million in Lira City. I've realized that the persons with disability are very honest people, and majority of them have used the money, and they are doing very interesting enterprises, goat rearing, poultry, piggery. I'm more impressed with persons with disability, because sometimes we think that they are not able to perform, but they are performing much better than many other grants. I've also assessed nationally the performance of PDM. As you are aware, PDM has reserved quotas for women, youth, persons with disability, and older persons. For older person is 10%, and person with disability also 10% per parish. The report that we have in our ministry is indicating that older persons and persons with disability are not consuming all their money, because some parishes are unable to get the persons with disability to be able to request for those financing, meaning that probably there are fewer persons with disability than we envisage and older persons. A proposal has already been mooted by our Minister of State for older persons to shift some of the money from PDM to the special grant for older persons. It has been discussed in Cabinet, and a committee chaired by the Right Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, Honorable Rebecca Kadaga, has been instituted to look into mechanism of either continuing with it or merging it to the special grants for older persons. So we will wait for that report. But by and large, while the quota for youth and women are doing extremely well, that one of the 2 interest groups are performing at a very low rate.